Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean is simply the average. So you add everything and divide them by their number. So in this example, we add these numbers and we divide them by 8 because we have 8 entries. And the answer is 5.2. Median is simply the middle value. So in this example, the median is 7 because it's the number in the middle. If we have even numbers, however, the median is the average of the middle two numbers. So in this example, we have 6 entries and the average of the middle two numbers is 7. So the median is 7. The mod is simply the most frequented number. Just look at the most repeated number. So in this example, the mod is 12. And here's a small quiz. What is the mean, the median, and the mod of the following entries? And here are the answers. Alright guys, that's all I have. Hopefully this helps, and thank you so much for watching.